Hi boss, today if you're running online business and you have your own warehouse, then you should own a PDA. By having this PDA, it's very convenient for you to manage your entire warehouse operations. Alright, the very first features that I'm going to introduce to you guys is stock adjustments. So right now with these stock adjustments, I can just easily scan on the product barcodes, and then I can see that, oh, how many quantity it left.
By knowing the quantity, this allows me to perform stock check as well.
Okay, you can see that quantity, and after that I can also edit the quantity amount. Let's say that I want to take one of it out, I just take, and then I minus one, and I press save. So all the marketplaces in Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok will become 4 quantity left. Alright, or you want to pass, also not a problem. The second features that I would like to introduce to you guys is Order Fulfillment Assistant. Come, have a look. So with this OFA, which means that right now I am a packer. So before I do the packing, I can just scan on the airway here. Alright, for me to check what are the items that I should pack. So this is the item, so I'm going to do a counter check here. As you can see, it has a tick sign here, which means that it's good to go. Alright, so I can pack these items safely. Because you don't want to pack wrong items. If it's wrong item, your customer is going to refund. Okay? Or maybe you pack something that's very expensive, then your company is going to make losses, right? Third features that I'm going to introduce to you guys is Career Manifest. Come, have a look. So now, by having this Career Manifest, okay, I just create the Shopee Career Manifest, and these are all the items that I should give to Shopee Express to ship it away, and this is the bin for Shopee. So all I need to do is tap on this scanning code, and then what I got to do is scan on the tracking number. Right, can you see that? It recorded the tracking number. I scan again. Okay, just put inside.
At this stage, if you scan a parcel that doesn't belong to Shopee Express, it's going to have a beep sound to warn you so that you don't put it inside the bin. Thankfully, for my case, there's no error.
And again. Okay, so there you go. I mean, you just continue do the scanning so that you will know that today how many parcels that has been shipped away by Shopee Express. Hurry up, contact us and buy a PDA.